Maze, hiyo inaji. Wapi team leader? Tutachukua tu hiyo mic. Tumoja chukue hii mic. Bro, mpaka umesweat hivyo. Dakika 10 umesweat hivyo. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Lolwe TV talent show. This is a show that happens each and every Wednesday 8:30 p.m. and a repeat is each and every Sunday 5:30 p.m. If you have any kind of talent, please inbox us on our official page at Lolwe TV at Victor Msafi Kenya. This show is purely in partnership with Manyala Auto Garage. Manyala Auto Garage is located along Ngong Road next to Toyota Kenya. Kama uko na shida yoyote ya gari, tafuta Manyala Auto Garage. Its number is down there on the screen. And tonight in the show, we have amazing super dancers. Bro, mnajiitaje?
Oh.
Wapi team leader? Mnajiitaje hii crew?
Si tunajulikana kama the Head Boys.
The Head Boys.
Yeah,
the Head Boy ya shule.
Yeah, the Head Boys Dance Entertainment.
Head Boy Dance Entertainment.
Yes.
Na bro, mbona talent mingi, mbona mmekuja ukachagua hii dance?
Is anakaa then anatengeneza kitu. So for us tunajibamba, but at the end of the day we are sweating. So the Bible says you shall feed from your sweat. So at the end of the day we've sweated. Tumesweat.
Sasa Head Boy Dancers hiyo ni junior group.
Yes.
Moja yenu one by one we want to know your names.
Mimi naitwa Kevin Staff.
Kevin Staff.
Yeah, and the Head Boys iko kila mahali kwa social media handles zote. And maybe niachie huyo aseme jina yake.
Mimi naitwa Elijah Miel.
Elijah?
Elijah Miel.
Elijah Miel.
Elijah Miel, anamatero ngwachikae.
Hiyo ndio mpaka social media handles.
Hiyo ndio stage name. Social media bado ni Elijah Miel, Instagram, pia Facebook, pia Twitter, pia on YouTube. Alafu wasisahau kututafuta pale pia Instagram. Sisi ndio the Head Boys.
The Head Boys.
Yeah.
On my left,
mimi naitwa Chris Shana, a member of the Head Boy Dance.
The guy next to me.
Na mimi naitwa Oti Yobo Majumsi Yobo.
Oti?
Yobo.
Oti Yobo. Head Boy Dancers.
Yes.
So unaweza omba mafans aje? How should they support you?
First, support us by going to our social media handles and subscribing to our YouTube channel. And also, for those who are doing weddings, those who are doing events, like social events, social media handles, we are everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, everywhere. The name is the Head Boys. Eh?
Head Boys.
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, today we have some queens. It is a queen's night. Today is Queen's Night. Tuko na wasanii ama waimbaji wanadada wanakuja hapa kwa stage kutukumu. They are very popular. We know them. They are coming to give what they does, and I hope you are going to enjoy this show.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, tonight in the Lolwe TV talent show, we represent for you a queen in the house, Queen Baby. DJ.
He follow me, I follow him. Tucheze washangae, tuwakomeshe walojidai. Wajinga wapagawe, wajue mimi ninakudai. Wendo yangu kolondo maana nanukia. Siwezi kuacha solo, ni kuacha nikakimbia. Queen Baby.
DJ.
Follow me, I follow him. He follow me, I follow him. He follow me, I follow him. He follow me, I follow him. Tucheze washangae, tuwakomeshe walojidai. Wajinga wapagawe, wajue mimi ninakudai. Wendo yangu kolondo maana nanukia. Siwezi kuacha solo, ni kuacha nikakimbia. Yani mtoto mtana shati kwa nini asipendwe? Tena smart ukidunga shati mtamperemende. Yani mtoto mtanashati kwa nini asipendwe? Tena smart ukidunga shati mtamperemende. He follow me, I follow him. 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 Akinishika tenda, he's not a pretender, hawezi kunitenda, nampenda na nipenda, basi tucheze lingala, lipala, litawama, boy hold me tender, I like when you call my timber, and this is the day to remember, I will love you January, December, just put a ring on my finger, then you know that I am your diva, you are more than gold, more than silver, like fire, make me shiver. Born animada, boy animada, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire, Holy Ghost fire, born animada, born animada, thanks to the Father, thanks to the Lord, thanks to the Father,
kikangaru juu chini tunaruka. Gizani tulali. Mama Lucky Queen baby. Wanauliza uliumbwaje baby, maana uliumbuka umbika na mizuka pandisha daily, ukitati na zizima. Hey, kokoriko tunavocheza kokoriko, aya kwa kwaru mpaka chini kwa kwaruka. Hey, kokoriko tunavocheza kokoriko, aya kikangaru juu chini tunaruka. Chumbani gizani tulali, kipaka na panya tucheze, cha mama na baba tufanye, niyo moyo wa my number one. Susanna, the way he call me Susanna, he like to call me Susanna, the way he call me Susanna, he like to call me Susanna. Mahaba tele na chizi na die, ukiniacha lazizi I will die, and together forever no lies. Nasikuachi no, nakuhitaji njo tulale fo, my baby wendo nataka, the way tunavofanana, the way tunavofahana, the way you give me banana, fahamu sina kifafa, hafa.
Adi kokoriko. Waambie ni nani? Jitambulishe.
Naitwa Queen Baby.
Queen Baby spelling, wanajiuliza ni Queen gani? Wanataka kufuata social media handles.
Okay, ni QUIN, that is Queen, then BEIBY baby. Queen Baby.
Sasa Queen Baby, how long have you been in the industry?
Sijaanza kitambo cause nilianza last year, but officially nilianza this year na nimekaa kumaliza.
So officially umeanza this year?
Yes.
This year ume-release like how many tracks?
3
tracks?
Yes.
Watu wanasemaje huko nje kuhusu?
Watu wananijua, I'm the queen of Afropop. Yeah.
Unaona market inaenda vizuri?
Iko poa sana.
What kind of challenges mna experience sasa nyinyi kama female artists? Challenges gani mnapatana nayo?
Iko mob sana. Challenge number 1 is wasanii as in female artists wengi wao wanajulikana kama they can't make it, as in hawana talent, lakini nimekaa kuwa prove wrong. Yeah.
If you try to link up to artists wakubwa tunajua hapo majua, I don't want to name them. How is the reception? Wanakuelewa, wanakusikiza like ukijaribu kuitisha collabo nini?
Yeah.
How is their response?
Kuna wenye ni wazuri, then kuna wengine wanakuambia bado. Maybe wengine wanakuambia walipe then ufanye collabo. Yeah.
Walipe then ufanye collabo.
Yes.
So what kind of support you need from fans? Unaweza waambie social media handles zako, YouTube channel, any support whoever is watching can provide.
Chenye naomba tu muende pale YouTube, you subscribe to my channel. Yeah, watch songs zangu. Kuna vitu mob zinakam. Ni kuanza tu, I'm just getting started and I'm going to make sure that nimefika mahali penye mtanikubali, and I'm sure mko karibu kunikubali because najijua I am talented.
Unajijua you are talented.
Yes.
Now, social media handles.
IG, kila mahali niko tu Queen Baby.
Queen Baby.
Search to QUIN and then BEIBY, Queen Baby.
Support Queen Baby, go to our YouTube channel, subscribe, share and like all our posts. We are going to do live Kokoriko.
Yes.
DJ, are you ready Kokoriko? Ati Kwangaru. Kokoriko. Mbona unalimba hiyo Kokoriko?
Kokoriko niliandika time nilikuwa na feel watu lazima wa dance. Unaona?
Watu lazima wa dance.
Yes. So niliandika nikijua since napenda love song. So nikiweka hii song ikae kama dance hall hivi, watu wataikubali. Na watu wakaikubali.
It's okay. As you sign out, you are going to do for us Kokoriko as you sign. DJ, are you ready? Ati Kwangaru. Pull on DJ.
Wanaulizulumbwaje baby, manuliumbuka umbika na mizuka pandisha daily, ukitachi na zizima, ai kokoriko, tunavocheza kokoriko, haya kwa kwaru mpaka chini kwa kwaruka, chumbani gizani tulale, kipaka na panya tucheze, cha mama na baba tufanye, mia moyo ama number one.
So what next?
Mama Lucky Queen Baby, wanaulizulumbwaje baby, manuliumbuka umbika na mizuka pandisha daily, ukitachi na zizima, hey, kokoriko, tunavocheza kokoriko, haya kwa kwaru mpaka chini kwa kwaruka, hey, kokoriko, tunavocheza kokoriko, haya kikangaru juu chini tunaruka, chumbani gizani tulale, kipaka na panya tucheze, cha mama na baba tufanye, niyo moyo ama number one. Susanna, the way he call me Susanna, he like to call me Susanna, the way he call me Susanna.
Asante sana Queen Baby. Thank you for coming through.
Thank you too.
Nice time. We wish you good luck.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are moving on this Lolwe TV talent show. This is a show that happens each and every Wednesday from 8:30 p.m. at Lolwe TV. And I repeat, it's each and every Sunday from 5:30 p.m. still on your favorite channel, Lolwe TV. I'm your official host, Victor Msafi Kenya. Talent show is in partnership with Manyala Auto Garage. Manyala Auto Garage is the leading garage so far in Nairobi. You can even call for consultation. Kama gari yako iko na shida, wherever you are, consult Manyala Auto Garage. His number is just down there on the screen. He's located along Ngong Road, just next to Toyota Kenya. We are moving on to the next act. We are going on to the next act. And this lady is doing great. She has been in many interviews. She has been in different TV channels, different radio stations. And tonight we are pleased to have her. Ladies, are you ready? Are you ready for Queen Shana? Are you ready for Shana? Akiwarm up, akitaka kujua, can I get some band kidogo? Mnipe tu band kidogo tu. Mkiingiza hard boy dancers. Headboy dancers. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Are you ready for Shana? DJ, are you ready for Shana? Ladies and gentlemen, tonight in Lolwe TV Talent, give out yourself for the one and only Shana.
Nazindi Shana. Leo ni siku ya kushereheka, mimi najibamba videre najipeleleza, mezani chupa 1 2 naziteremsha, yani natetemesha, tena na babaisha fadhaisha kataliza. Today we shake for them police. Dirty girl should never miss a like a big. Do them. Run the floor, they miss with it. Position, sit up, sit on it. Mzinga mini songeze. Asuwe chupa situogele. Atari meza ya wazee. Mwanamke usisongea. Nazindi Shana. Niko match. Leo ni siku ya kushereheka, mimi najibamba videre najipeleleza, mezani chupa 1 2 naziteremsha, yani natetemesha, tena na babaisha fadhaisha kataliza. Today we shake for them police. Dirty girl should never miss a like a big. Do them. Run the floor, they miss with it. Position, sit up, sit on it. Mzinga mini songeze. Asuwe chupa situogele. Atari meza ya wazee. Mwanamke usisongea. Odi, wapewa rembo wadunde kama boli, wapewe pia mbele laika wadole, nitakukosta wakule noti, wawewe seke na we pipi, piuno zao wenyewe pipi, nenguwe yani segere pipi, tumejazika wenyewe pipi. Mzinga mini songeze, masuwa chupa situogele, atari meza ya wazee. Mwanamke usisongea. Wewe mbada ala commando, today we fumble. Let them jiggle, jiggle, jiggle to the tangle. A la commando, today we fumble. Come on, do the tangle, wind and bubble, wind and bubble. Do the tangle, wind and bubble. Big girl, them shake your body, pop your body, is your day. We break the rules. Come on, Salon. Shake on them. After the light, I blaze the fast alone if you don't get. Mina kumaliza tatizo lambe vidole. Boss, usikonde. Na kutingisha kiundo nipe vidole. Kumbe una vikembe. Na kusugulia na huna kitu walenje. We them batters, ala commando. Today we fumble. Let them jiggle, jiggle, jiggle do the tangle. Ala commando. Today we fumble. Come on, do the tangle, wind and bubble, wind and bubble. Do the tangle, wind and bubble. Bigger the body, shake 'em, smaller the waist. Wine for them, shake 'em, smaller the waist. Boss, usikonde, na kutingisha kiundo nipe vidole. Kumbe una vikembe. Kusugulia na huna kitu walenje. We them batters, ala commando. Today we fumble. Let them jiggle, 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 do the 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 jiggle.
Pull on DJ. That inaji.
Yeah.
Ati niko
maji.
Niko maji. What's the meaning of niko maji?
Sikuwa tipsy.
So say yuko maji.
Azi.
So introduce yourself.
Okay. Nazini Shana. That's my name. I'm from King's Castle Entertainment. A very big crew together with my people, the Head Boys crew. This is a one group family. So often that butter. Big tune coming up. Naitwa Tango. Tango.
Ebu nichapie freestyle ya hiyo niko maji.
Woo! Yani siku ya kuserereka, minajibamba videdli, najipeleleza, mezani chupa 1 2 naziteremusha, yani natetemesha, tena na babaisha, fadhaisha, kataliza. Today we shake for them police. Pretty guys, you never miss a light a beat. Tell them. Around the floor, they miss with it. Position, set up.
Shana. Na usikue maji mali yote. Ukitaka kuwa maji unakuwa hapa Meladen. Meladen Upper Hill. Just tell your crew whenever they want to drink, whenever they want to eat anything, then let them just come to Meladen.
Okay.
I hope unaona hata vile tumepanga vitu. Our food is very delicious.
Yes.
Our drink, they soften the throat. Huwezi pata mtu amelewa ametoka Meladen. Kizungu ndio sasa anasema mingi ndio utagundua jamaa amelewa Meladen. Meladen is just located Upper Hill, few meters from NHIF or National Library. If you want where you can chill with your guys, you chill with big boys, kuja hapa Meladen Upper Hill.
Thank you.
The show is poorly partnership with Manyala Auto Garage. Manyala Auto Garage is located along Ngong Road, just next to Toyota Kenya. If you have any mechanical problem with your car, just call that number down on the screen, Manyala Auto Garage. And tonight we are having a queen in the house called Shana. Shana.
Yeah.
Why a musician?
God
Why not a doctor? Why not a politician?
No, I'm natural, God given.
This talent.
It's Batishi.
So there is nothing like you are admiring someone's life or you have a role model somewhere, so you are trying to be like her or like him.
No, not yet. No, I'm me.
You don't have a role model in this industry.
I don't have one.
There is no artist you are looking up to.
No, maana sijafanya bado collab, sijapata bado vibe yangu.
Wasanii wakikuja wanasemanga tu connect collab. Wewe unaniambia tu you are you.
I believe in myself.
Shana mwenyewe.
Yeah, ndio maana niko hapa mmenidictate na mkani.
In fact, the song that made me spot you is some people talk. Yeah. Can I get it? Some people talk.
Now people talk, what the wrong things. Now people talk, what the wrong things. Go tell them real story.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I spotted you with that song.
Thank you so much.
So, Shana, for how long have you been in the industry?
5 years. Kwa group
nitwa Jishgang, ndo nikasportiwa with Kings Castle Entertainment, and now I'm almost finishing a year.
But some people say that you are trying to vibe like this lady in Uganda. What's her name? People commented that when we uploaded on our page that we are coming to host you. What was that? Who are named Selector? Cindy Sanya.
Oh, that's
Cindy.
Yeah, Cindy.
People say that you are trying to...
Yo, I'm not trying. That's me.
Today we shake for them police. Pretty girls should never miss a light a bit. Around the floor they mess with it. Position, set up, sit on it. I can never be like somebody else.
You are Shana.
Shana.
What's your social media handles? Where can we find you? Si lazima tuweke TV.
Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Palipote, type Zini Shana. It's me, Zini Shana, to the world. Baddest coming.
Shana!
Yeah.
I want to give you the stage now.
Okay.
I want you to do what you does best. Yeah. So I want you to prove yourself that you are Shana. You are not the way they think. Are you getting me? DJ, are you ready? The people talking. Some people talking or watching. We come to the end of the show. That's the end show. Thank you.
Cindy Shana.
People talk,
people what? Utter their own things. People talk, people what? Utter their own things. Cause you're the main story. You're the main story. People talk, people what? Utter their own things. People talk, people what? Utter their own things. They don't know your story. Tell them your story. Some of you are born late, tricky by nature. Never trust nobody, never put them on your shoulder. Them lie, them fake, snake up on their face. Forever run away from life. Why lie? Now run away from them. Now run away from them. Run away, now run away from them. I run away from them. Why lie? Now run away from them. Run away, now run away from them. Now people talk, people what? Utter their own things. Now people talk, people what? Utter their own things. Cause you're the main story. You're the main story. Now people talk, people what? Utter their own things. Now people talk, people what? Utter their own things. They don't know your story. Tell them your story. From Monday to Sunday, from morning to evening, they still talk shit about me. From Monday to Sunday, they still talk shit about me. Leo siku ya kushereheka, ninajibamba videli najipeleleza, mezani chupa 1-2 naziteremsha, yani natetemesha, tena nababaisha, fadhaisha, kataliza. Today we shake for them police. Dirty girl should never miss a light a bit. Do them. Around the floor they miss with it. Position, set up, sit on it. Mzinga mini songeze. Masuwe chupa situokele. Atari meza ya wazee. Mwanamke usisongea. Odi, wapewa rembo wadunde kama boli, wapewa pia mbele laika wadole, itakukosta, wakule noti wewe seke na we pipi viuno za wenyewe pipi nenguwe yani segere pipi tumejazika wenyewe pipi mzinga mini songeze masuwa chupa situogele hatari meza ya wazee mwanamke usisongele serereka minajibamba videli najipeleleza mezani chupa 1 naziteremsha yani natetemesha tena na babaisha fadhaisha katoleza Aya,